Hello, Vivekians. Welcome back to School from Home. Hope you're doing well and staying safe at your home. Today is the second day of Chapter 2. As you all know, yesterday we started with Chapter 2 and we have read only page number 13. So, through that page, it might be clear to you that the story is about two identical twins. Those are Vasu and Prabhu. Let's have a recap of page number 13. The story was about two identical twins. They are Vasu and Prabhu. You know, Vasu, he was fond of comics, but Prabhu, he liked to play cricket. But there is one similarity in between them. Do you know what is that? Yes, they both love to eat Amma's crispy dosas. Now they both were very happy. Do you know why they were happy? Yes, because their Amma had returned from visit to अजय और मम्मा की एब्सेंस में पापा ने क्या किया क्या क्या खिलाया ओनली दाल राइस कर्ड राइस एंड बनानास और अब वो एक्साइटेड है क्योंकि अम्मा आ चुकी है एंड दे वर वेरी एक्साइटेड टू ईट क्रिस्पी डोसास. Yes, now this was the first page. Now we are going to read page number 14. Just see in your books. Yes, this is page number 14. First of all, write down today's date. Then, on the way from school, they saw some friends walking ahead. Prabhu stopped to chat with them for a while. But Vasu rushed back home. Now what happened? They both are way back from the school. अब वो स्कूल से वापस आ रहे हैं and some of the friends are walking ahead. कुछ friends आगे चल रहे हैं. तो क्या होता है? प्रभु he stopped to chat with them. प्रभु रुक जाता है but वासु he is very eager. वो फटाफट से घर भाग जाता है. Where is प्रभु? Amma asked Vasu when he reached home. अम्मा पूछ रही है कि प्रभु कहाँ है? He is talking with some friends. He will be home soon. Vasu replied. Now Vasu said कि अम्मा he is talking with some of the friends. वो जल्दी ही घर आ जाएगा. He washed his hands and ate 5 dosas. और वो जल्दी से अपने हाथ धोता है and he ate 5 dosas. Yes, children, you also know before having anything you should wash your hands. Very good. I want some more, said Vasu. Now Vasu said, माँ मुझे और चाहिए. You have already overeaten. अब माँ क्या कह रही है? You have already overeaten. Overeaten means ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा खा लेना एक टाइम पर. There is batter left for only 5 more dosas for Prabhu, Amma said. Now Amma said कि अब सिर्फ बैटर 5 डोसास के लिए बचा है and those are for Prabhu. अब बैटर, do you know what is the batter? Mixture, जो भी पेस्ट होता है जिससे हम डोसा बनाते हैं, that is called batter. Get up and wash your hands. Don't forget to dry them with the towel. Now Amma said, get up and wash your hands. उठो और wash करो अपने hands और टाल से उनको dry करना मत भूलना. Vasu got up from the dining table. Vasu, he got up from the dining table. Now, after a while, Amma saw Prabhu standing by the table. और कुछ ही देर बाद क्या होता है? अम्मा ने किसे देखा? She saw Prabhu standing by the table. Did you wash your hands? Amma asked. Now Amma asked, did you wash? Yes, he said. Yes. Come and have dosas, said Amma. अम्मा क्या कह रही है? आओ और डोसा खा लो. He sat down and enjoyed the 5 dosas. वो बैठ जाता है and he enjoyed 5 dosas. Ah, that was good, he said, patting his tummy and left the dining room. अब क्या कह रहा है? दैट वॉज वेरी गुड. वो अपनी टमी पे पैट कर रहा है. वॉट इज पैटिंग? वो अपनी टमी पे गोल गोल हाथ घुमा के दिखा रहा है और डाइनिंग रूम से चला जाता है. अम्मा, प्रभु कॉल्ड. अम्मा, गिव मी डोसाज, ही सेड. अब प्रभु हैज कम. प्रभु क्या कर रहा है? ही कॉल्ड, अम्मा, अम्मा. ही सेड, गिव मी डोसाज. You just ate 5 dosas. There is no more batter left. अम्मा said. अम्मा क्या कह रही है? अभी तो तुमने 5 डोसा खाए. But I have just reached home. I have not eaten any dosa. प्रभु said कि मैं तो अभी घर आया हूँ और मैंने तो अभी कोई डोसा खाया ही नहीं. Yes, children, this was the reading of page number 14 of chapter 2. Today we are going to read only the second page of the chapter. Still, the interesting part of the story is left. Yes, so stay tuned. कल मिलेंगे और पढ़ेंगे कि next आगे story में क्या होता है. But before ending the video, I would like to inform you that you can see some of the words underlined here on this page. Those are the dictation words. You have to note down those dictation words in the notebook. And with this video, you will get the worksheet attached to it. In that worksheet, there are some questions, fill-ups and make sentences given. You have to do those on your own. Read the page 4 to 5 times, then you will be able to answer the questions. It is my humble request to the parents, please don't write answers for them. This is my repetitive request to you all. Make them clear with the concept and ask them to read it again and again, as we are not giving you the question and answers completely because our motive is not to promote rote learning. Our motive is to make you independent. Dear children, try to write answer in a complete sentence and it will also improve your writing skills. Read it again and again, then you will be clear with the chapter. So stay tuned for the next part of the story. If you don't have book or your notebook, maintain your work in any notebook which is available at your home. Screenshot of each and every page is provided to you. Do your work neatly and according to the given pattern. Stay home, stay safe. Thanks.